Hello and welcome to HW News. The day 5 of the farmers' protest has begun. Amid ongoing protest by the farmers at Singhu and Tikri borders, the Delhi Traffic Police on Monday advised the commuters to take alternate routes to enter and exit Haryana. Both the border points at Singhu and Tikri are closed as the farmers have rejected the central government's offer to move to the Burari Park in New Delhi. On Sunday, farmers announced that they would block 5 points of entry into Delhi, which is Sonipat, Rohtak, Jaipur, Ghaziabad Hapur and Mathura in the coming days. Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar met last night at BJP Chief JP Nadda's residence hours after the farmers protesting in and around Delhi rejected the centre's invitation for conditional talks. During the day, several leaders of farmers' groups gave speeches from atop their tractors on the Haryana side of the Singhu border as Delhi police remained stationed behind the barriers which were mounted with barbed wires. More farmers were likely to join the protest over the next 2 days, the leaders have said. Now, farmers amassed on the borders of the national capital on Sunday also refused to move to the Burari Park in New Delhi, where the centre has invited them for talks and said that they will stay put until they are allowed to go to Jantar Mantar to stage their protest. They have also called Burari ground as the open jail. Meanwhile, farmers from UP and Uttarakhand have also joined in. A conflict ensued between the farmers and the police near the Ghaziabad border, where an attempt was made by the farmers to break the barricades. At the same time, farmers from Punjab and Haryana are firmly camped on the Haryana border. Security was tightened at the Delhi-Ghaziabad border in view of the farmers' protest, and the Ghazipur border was also blocked by the police with big boulders. Haryana's many Khaps on Sunday decided to join agitating farmers' Delhi Chalo call and march to the national capital to support their protest against 3 central farm laws. The decision was taken in a meeting of the chiefs of 30 Khaps, that is caste councils, in Rohtak. In other news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also mentioned the farm laws in his monthly radio address Mann Ki Baat on Sunday. The Prime Minister asserted that these reforms have not only freed peasants from various shackles but have also bestowed on them new rights and opportunities. Senior Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda, meanwhile, on Sunday slammed Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar for his remarks that the state's farmers have not participated in this stir against the new agricultural laws and warned that if farmers' problems are not resolved, a bigger movement will be undertaken. Hooda on Sunday said that farmers of Haryana have been agitating against the 3 laws for the past many months. He said, and I quote, "I have repeatedly urged the government to withdraw these laws or bring in a new law to guarantee MSP of the crops. The Chief Minister should state whether he does not consider the agitating farmers residents of Haryana. If the farmers of Haryana are not part of the movement, then who did the government lathi charge at Pipli? Who are the people who were detained by Haryana police before their Delhi march? Who are the thousands of farmers against whom the Haryana government has filed cases?" Now, this is what Dipender Singh Hooda asked.
किसान विरोधी सरकार की किसान विरोधी पोल खुल चुकी है। ये सरकार किसान विरोधी है, नहीं तो कोई मायने नहीं था कि इतना बड़ा किसान का आंदोलन हो और ये सरकार ऐसा काम करे, क्योंकि इनका मकसद किसानों के हित का नहीं है, देश के हित का नहीं है। इनका तो भाई अपनी कुर्सी पे है। ये तो अपनी कुर्सियों पे फेविकॉल लगाए बैठे हैं बीजेपी जेजेपी हरियाणा में। अपनी फेविकॉल से कुर्सियां नहीं होना चाहते, नहीं तो तुरंत इस बात की आवाज उठानी चाहिए था सेंटर से। और जेजेपी जो कह रही थी हम तो किसानों की वो है, उनको तुरंत इस सरकार से बाहर आ जाना चाहिए था, हरियाणा की सरकार से बाहर। और आज भी मेरा सरकार से ये है कि कानून जो ये बनाए हैं ये किसान हितैषी नहीं है। एक नया कानून लाया जाए या इनको विड्रॉ किया जाए, इसको अमेंड किया जाए, वो बातचीत करके किसानों से उनको किसानों को भावनाओं के उनको एक सुरक्षा का एक देना चाहिए, मैसेज देना चाहिए कि उनके हित सुरक्षित हैं। और वो एक ही तरह से हो सकते हैं कि उनको ये जताए कि हम कानून बनाएंगे, MSP कायम रहेगी। मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर हरियाणा के किसानों ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया तो वो कौन लोग थे जिनके पीपली में लाठियां चार्ज की थी? वो कौन लोग थे जिनको केस बनाया हुआ? वो कौन किसान थे गांव-गांव से जो तुमने एक रात पहले उठा लिए गए? वो कौन लोग थे जिनके ऊपर आपने जो वाटर कैनन चलाए? वो कहाँ के थे? किसान है, किसान आवाज उठा रहा है और सारा हरियाणा का किसान और हम इन किसानों की मांग के साथ समर्थन में खड़े हैं और पूरा सहयोग हरियाणा के किसान दे रहे हैं। ये ऐसी बातें कहकर उनको हरियाणा के किसानों का अपमान नहीं तो कोई वो अपमान से कम नहीं है, जबकि इतना कैद हो ली उनके केस बन लिए, लाठियां लग ली और वो कहे पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं करे। ये इसको जो है हरियाणा के किसान के अहम को ठेस पहुंचाने वाली बात है।
Meanwhile, a different set of narrative has been played up by the ruling party. Dushyant Kumar Gautam, who is BJP National General Secretary and the party is in charge for Punjab and Uttarakhand, on Sunday said that pro-Khalistan and pro-Pakistan slogans are being raised during the farmers' agitation and such elements will be arrested. He said that the Rajya Sabha MP further claimed that the government is ready to talk to the protesting farmers, but they are being misguided by the Congress and other opposition parties. Addressing the media at the BJP office in Dehradun on Sunday, following a two-day organizational visit after being appointed as the party's Uttarakhand in charge, Gautam said that farm laws are for the entire country but were opposed only in Punjab. He said that slogans of Khalistan Zindabad and Pakistan Zindabad are being raised there today. Slogans are being raised in favor of anti-national forces, and you should think about who is behind these protests. The protesting farmers from Punjab are celebrating the Guru Nanak Jayanti today. The atmosphere of the protest site has completely changed and the protest site resonated with the sounds of kirtan or singing of hymns on the 501st birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. They are preparing prasad and distributing among the protesters. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address his constituency, that is Varanasi, and he is expected to make a major announcement regarding the farm laws. So we will look forward to that. Meanwhile, do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.